Personalized briefings. Get personalized briefings throughout the day from the all-new Now Brief. Start your morning with a rundown of the day ahead. Then recap on the day's events in the evening with daily activity insights. Circle it, find it. Hear it, find it. Circle to search with Google allows you to instantly search anything on your screen. Just circle an object including images, videos or text with your finger and you'll get results immediately. You can even search for a song that you hear in the moment without switching apps. 2. A sound studio at your fingertips. Easily get rid of unwanted background noise from your videos and make them share-worthy with Audio Eraser. Fine-tune your audio by adjusting different types of sound including voices, music, wind and more. 3. Unparalleled battery life thanks to our pioneering MDNI technology built into our customized AP and software optimization. Galaxy S25 Plus S battery usage time is enhanced for you to enjoy hours of watching videos. 15. 16-watch videos up to 4900 mAh 30 hours. The most advanced ProVisual Engine 4R ProVisual Engine is now boosted by our powerful processor. Experience our advanced creative system for capturing, viewing and editing that you have to see to believe. 5 12MP selfie camera 12MP ultra wide 50MP wide angle 2x optical quality zoom 10MP telephoto 3x optical zoom. Personal data stays personal. The personal data engine combines and processes your primary data and provides tailored suggestions. It encrypts this data and saves it on your device with Knox Vault, making it inaccessible to anyone else. Personal unrivaled nightography video. Less noise, more clarity. Now you can shoot in improved 10-bit HDR for a more stunning videography experience. Our advanced AP also delivers more precise noise removal, meaning you won't have to worry about grainy night footage again. Epic portraits every single time. We see you. And so does our camera with enhanced object-aware engine that can adapt to various lighting environments. Capture skin tones and textures exactly as your eyes see them. Filters just for you. Bring your pics to life with your own personalized filters. Galaxy UL will analyze your favorite photo and create a filter that captures the scene. Use it instantly or customize further to suit your mood with tweaks to the saturation, brightness and more. Highlight reels made easy. Effortlessly create reels by collating your videos and simply hitting auto trim. UL will detect the key activity and trim them into highlight-ready clips that you can easily modify to your desired length. 8. The most powerful processor. The most advanced ProVisual Engine 4R ProVisual Engine is now boosted by our powerful processor. Experience our advanced creative system for capturing, viewing and editing that you have to see to believe. 5 12MP selfie camera 12MP ultra wide 50MP wide angle 2x optical quality zoom 10MP telephoto 3x optical zoom. Now Bar. Get Now Briefs at a glance from the all-new Now Bar. Directly access Now Brief and more from the new Now Bar. Widget. Personalize with the new layouts and redesigned widgets. 20. Notification. Monitor what's in action with live notifications. Framed in armor aluminum wrapped in a light aluminum frame 17 glass made to last strengthened with Corning registered trademark symbol Gorilla registered trademark symbol Glass Victus registered trademark symbol 218 IP68 water and dust resistance 19. Unparalleled battery life thanks to our pioneering MDNI technology built into our customized AP and software optimization. Galaxy S25 Plus S battery usage time is enhanced for you to enjoy hours of watching videos. 15, 16 watch videos up to 4900 mAh 30 hours. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is expected to start at 99,999 rupees in India. It will be available in 12 GB RAM with 256 GB of internal storage. And the phone is expected to come in navy and silver shadow color options. My YouTube channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe.